So welcome you all. Now we are going to understand how to classify soil as per Indian Standard Soil Classification System. For this, actually, we are selecting one numerical example here. So let us concentrate here now on the question. Classify the soil with the following properties according to Indian Standard Soil Classification System. Here you see the liquid limit of the soil is given 40%. Plasticity index is given 10%. So from that you can able to understand plasticity index is equal to liquid limit minus plastic limit. LL minus PL. Now LL is given 40. Now PI is given 10. 10 is equal to, let me write, I think 10 is equal to 40 minus PL. So obviously the PL is plastic limit is very interesting. We can able to determine plastic limit now. 40 minus 10. This is equal to 30%. So I got plastic limit anyhow. Now let us see now the percentage passing 4.75 mmC. So here you see the fraction of the soil passed through 4.75 is given, that is 60%. And here you see percentage passing 75 micron is given 45%. See here you see percentage passing 75 micron is undoubtedly fines, which is a combination of silt and clay, don't worry. So the fines is 45%. And obviously we have here you see the here percentage passing 4.75 is 60. So one can easily understand here you see percentage passing 4.75 mm is 60. That means what is the percentage retained on 4.75 is obviously 40%. So the gravel is 40. I will write here. The gravel portion is 40 because it is G is gravel is greater than 4.75 mm. So the fraction of the soil retained on 4.75 mm sieve is called gravel, no doubt. So now I have 40%. Passing is given 60. Then from that I can calculate retain. So that is 40%. 100 minus 60. Now let me discuss what about percentage passing 75 micron. See, is 45%. That is fines are 45%. So now gravel is 40. One can easily guess what is the sand content now. 100 minus gravel fraction 40 minus, now we have what I say fines 45. So 100 minus 85, which is equal to 15. So the sand fraction is 15%. So now one can see now the fraction of sand. So now undoubtedly you see the percentage of gravel is 40, sand is 15. So altogether we have 55%. More than 50% is retained on 75 micron. Therefore, the soil is basically a coarse-grained soil with pinch of fines. So now you see here it is very good to discuss now the selected soil, because of you see if you compare gravel and sand fractions, the fraction of gravel is more because it is 40, sand is 15. So the given soil is gravel. Now the computation starts now. Why? Because the computation will start. No doubt the fines here is greater than 12%. Now it's a gravel. No doubt it is a dirty gravel. Now the question is it may be GC or GM. It may be GC or GM. So now the question is how to identify it is clayey gravel or silty gravel. So for that, don't worry, we have an equation given by Casagrande. So that is IPA line is equal to 0.73 LL minus 20. So LL minus 20, liquid limit is 40. 40 minus 20 is 20. So I am getting 0.73 into 20. I am getting 14.6%. So this is IP of A line. I don't forget to write A line. Now coming to what is IP. Here you say I have IP. IP is nothing but plasticity index. Plasticity index is 10%. And IPA line is 14.6%. Here you see IPA line is 14.6. So now my soil comes below the IPA line because my IP IP is 10%, IPA line is 14.6. Now the soil comes under below the A line. Obviously, the category of soil below the A line is silt. Therefore, let us say goodbye to GC. Say answer GM. So the selected given soil is GM. This is the way we use it to identify, we use it to classify soil as per Indian Standard Soil Classification System. I will tell you once again before you wrap up this lecture. First, you try to identify whether the soil is coarse grained or fine grained. First follow this step. So how to identify it is a coarse grained soil? You see, if more than 50% of the soil retained on 75 micron sieve, then it is coarse grained soil. So now again there is a competition between gravel and sand within coarse grained soil. So from that you try to understand what is the portion of fraction of soil above retained on 4.75. Here you see passing is given. From that I can calculate retained. Here it is 40% is retained. So gravel fraction is 40. Sand fraction is 15. So now you see what is the percentage of soil passing through 75. It is nothing but fines. Fines is a combination of silt and clay. In fact, it is a fraction of soil passed through 75 micron sieve. So this is the way we should identify. Here we have coarse fraction 55. Within coarse fraction, gravel is 40, sand is 50. Now, there is very interesting thing, liquid limit and plastic limit is given. So now how to identify whether it is clayey gravel or silty gravel? Because the situation here, the fines are more than 12%. If the fines are more than 12%, we have an option. It is a dirty gravel. Now it may be GC or GM. So don't hesitate to select now how to classify GC or GM. If you want to classify particular soil as silt or clay, don't think beyond IPA line. So always remember IPA line 0.73 LL minus 20. So this is the formula given by the Ardhar Casagrande. If your IPA line is what I say, if your IP is more than IPA line, then it is a clay soil. If your IP means plasticity index. Here you see, here I have got plasticity index 10%, IPA line 14.6. Now which one is higher? No doubt here IPA line is higher. If IPA line is higher, then it is silt. So finally, I can tell you before we conclude the lecture, the given soil is silty gravel. Thank you.